Hey guys, today is Wednesday, May 27th. This assignment will be a little bit shorter because remember we have our live video meeting just to give you the chance to sign into that if you'd like. We're reviewing surface area, the same thing that we did yesterday, finding the surface area of a rectangular prism. And remember, surface area is very different from volume. So what we don't want to do for surface area is this. We don't want to just say 12 times 4 times 8 for a question like number 1. That's not how we find the surface area of this figure. So to start it out, I'm going to look at this front face here, and I'm going to highlight it in yellow. And I want to try to fill in the measure of the sides that I can see on the rectangular prism. So I'll bring the 12 inches up here. And I can also bring this 8 inches. Whoops, sorry, the screen jumped on me. I can also bring this 8 inches over here. So now I'm going to set up to find the area of the front face. And remember, the opposite faces in a rectangular prism are equal. So I can set up the front and the back together. All right, now I'm going to keep this really organized. To find the area of that front face, we would have to multiply the base of 12 times the height of 8. And we would do the same thing to find the area of the back face. The base of 12 times the height of 8, because those faces are equal. So the area of the front face is 96, and that would be inches squared. Same area for the back face, 96 inches squared. I'll leave those. Now I'm going to look at the top face and I'll go over it in blue. I saw somebody in their OneNote actually said they thought it was easier when they shaded the faces in. If you want to do that, you absolutely can. So let's try to figure out what sides we have in that top face. I see the base of 12 and I can bring up this height of 4 inches right here. You could even bring the 12 over here and label the 4 inches over here. So now this is our top face and our bottom face. And remember, the opposite faces in a rectangular prism are equal. So to find the area of the top face, we would have to multiply the base of 12 times the height of 4. And the bottom face is equal, so we're multiplying 12 times 4. So the area of that top face is 48 inches squared, and the bottom face is also 48 inches squared. Now the last one, I'm going to highlight this right side face over here, and luckily that one is already labeled from everything we've done so far. So this is going to be right and left is what I'll call them. So to find the area of that right side rectangular face, we have to multiply the base of 4 inches by the height of 8 inches, and the left side face is equal, base of 4 inches times the height of 8 inches. So that would give us an area of 32 inches squared for the right side and 32 inches squared for the left side. Now we just have to add all of the areas together to find the total surface area. So you could have added front and back together, top and bottom together, left and right together in a different step. I'm just going to show that I'm adding all of them right now at the bottom. So we have 96 plus 96 plus 48 plus 48 plus 32 plus 32. And remember, there are other ways to set that up. You could have said 96 times 2 plus 48 times 2 plus 32 times 2. Either way, make sure you're combining the area from every face. And when you add those values together, you should find that this rectangular prism has a surface area of 352 inches squared. You can use this setup for the one other question down below, but this is it. We're just practicing with the surface area of a rectangular prism.